Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Raza and I am Subject Specialist English at Divisional Public School and College, Sahiwal. You all are welcome in our new session, and today is our first lecture of English for class 7th. Dear students, as we know, we have 4 seasons and everybody likes his own favorite season. Today we are going to discuss in a poem about a season, that is the winter season. The name of the poem is No, written by Thomas Hood. Objectives of our lesson are: learners will be able to tell about the poet, read the poem with route pronunciation, get and learn the meanings of difficult words, understand the idea given in the poem. About the poet. Thomas Hood basically was an editor, publisher, poet, and a well-known humorist. He was born in London and the son of a bookseller. Hood was associated with a number of magazines throughout his life. The famous ones are the London Magazine and New Monthly Magazine. He was known for his comic verse, but today we are going to read one of his serious poems. Now, first of all, we have to read the poem. Dear students, you have to listen to the poem carefully for getting the right pronunciation. No sun, no moon, no morn, no noon, no dawn, no dusk, no proper time of day, no sky, no earthly view, the distance looking blue, no road, no street, no the other side the way, no end to any row, no indications where the crescents go, no top to any steeple, no recognitions of familiar people, no courtesies for showing 'em, no knowing 'em. No travelling at all, no locomotion, no inkling of the way, no notion, no go by land or ocean, no mail, no post, no news from any foreign coast, no park, no ring, no afternoon gentility, no company, no nobility, no warmth, no cheerfulness, no healthful ease, no comfortable feel in any member, no shade, no shine, no butterflies, no bees, no fruits, no flowers, no leaves, no birds, November. Now students, you have to read the poem twice or thrice. The poem is on the page number 14 of the book Oxford Modern English for class 7. Now, going towards the explanation of the poem. No sun, no moon, no morn, no noon. Here the underlined word morn means morning. No dawn, no dusk. Dawn means the time just before sunrise, and the dusk means the time just after the sunset. No proper time of day, no sky, no earthly view, no distance looking blue, no road, no street, no the other side the way. Here The is written in contraction with other, so it is pronounced as the other side the way. No end to any row. Row here means a narrow street. No indications. Indication means hint or clue where the crescents go. Crescents here means arc-shaped. Basically, the poet is describing in these lines that due to intense winter weather and heavy fog, there is no appearance of sun or moon because the sky is covered with the clouds. No one get any clue of the dawn or dusk. Nobody has any idea about what time of the day it is. Sky is much vast but cannot be seen. No one even can see the earth because the earth is full of snow. Even nobody can tell that what time of the day it is. Generally, we see the blueness in the distance in the sky. Even the nearest things cannot be identified. Not even the road, not even the other side of the way is visible. Everything is hidden from his eyesight. There is no sign of any house, and even nothing is clear. Directions or indications are also hidden where the arc-shaped ways are placed. No top to any steeple. Steeple means tower. It can be a tower of a church. No recognitions of familiar people. Recognition means identification. Familiar means known. No courtesies for showing them. Courtesies means polite behavior. And M is here the contraction of them. No knowing M. No traveling at all. No locomotion. Locomotion means movement. No inkling of the way. No notion. Inkling means clue. Notion means idea. No go by land or ocean. No mail, no post. Here in these lines, poet is saying that due to obscurity of heavy snowfall and fogginess, we cannot see even the tower of the church, the steeple of the church. We are not even able to see the familiar people because due to the intense weather and fog, everyone is stuck to his house. People are confined to their houses, so there is no socialization and they have no reason to come out and they have no polite behavior, no courtesies for each other. They even cannot recognize each other because everything is obscure due to intense fog. Poet says that even if they come out for socialization, they are unable to recognize each other. He adds, even traveling and movement of people are ceased, as the things are not favorable for making any kind of journey, which is possible neither on road nor on oceans. He says that nobody can move even by land or ocean, and even they are not getting any mail, any news, Mail here doesn't mean email because that times there was not emails. Mail here means letter. No news from any foreign coast. Coast means seashore. No park, no ring, no afternoon gentility. No company, no nobility. Gentility here means upper class, and nobility here means noble people. No warmth, no cheerfulness, no healthful ease, no comfortable feel in any member, no shade, no shine, no butterflies, no bees, no fruits, no flowers, no leaves, no birds, November. Here, the poet says that in the time of winters, no news is expected from any foreign country, from any foreign coasts. There is no enjoyment even in the parks. Especially the park here recommends the London's famous Hyde Park. And even there is no ring where the gentility or upper class meet in the afternoon. They have no company. Even noble people are stuck at their houses. No warmth, no cheerfulness. If people are stuck at their houses, so how they have warmth in their behaviors, how they will meet each other. No cheerfulness, no healthfulness. Even they are stuck to their houses, so there are no healthful activities. So there is no happiness because people are stuck and they are not able to enjoy each other's company. So they are not happy, they are not healthful, and there is no warmth in their behavior. No comfortable feel in any member. Now, here he is saying that no one is comfortable because everyone is stuck, seized due to intense weather. No shade, no shine, no butterflies, no bees. Here the poet is saying that everything, every animal or every living thing is just cannot be observed due to intense weather. How anyone will feel when there is no light, no shadow, no butterflies, no beauties of nature, no fruit, no flower, no leaves. How there can be these things? How there can be fruits and leaves and flowers and butterflies on these naked boughs of the tree? As you can see in the picture, there is no leaf because of intense weather. Everything seems that it is dead. So there cannot be birds even if there is no butterflies, there is no flowers, there are no fruits. So basically this is the month of November. So poem shows the bleakness of a November day in London. A heavy fog and perhaps smog from chimney smoke obscure everything. The sun, the moon, the steeples, the roadways, the parks. Because of the intense weather, travel ceases. Consequently, there are no mail deliveries and no ships arriving with news from foreign countries, where elegant people tend to meet each other. The poem's central themes are social isolation and a sort of disorientation. After that, we have to go through an assessment. Now, read the questions carefully and answer the questions that follow. Now it's time for a homework. Students, after reading the poem, you have to find out adjectives, as many as you can, and after searching them you have to find out the antonyms of those adjectives with the help of thesaurus. So have a good day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.